In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Southern staple, classic sweet tea, the house wine of the South, or so says Truvy on Steel Magnolias. This recipe has a secret ingredient, and it will make it the clearest and the smoothest glass of tea you have ever tasted, and it will only take you minutes to prepare. Let's make it. Start out by heating 4 cups of water just shy of boiling. When you get to that point, turn the heat off and drop in 2 family-sized tea bags. Today, I'm using Lipton, but you can use the tea of your choice. Lipton, Tetley, Louisiana are the most common here in the South. It is an orange pekoe and pekoe cut black tea. Let this steep for 7 minutes. While we're waiting, let me say that everyone in the South has their own recipe for sweet tea, or they don't use a recipe at all because they make it so much. And then you have the lemon lovers. Lemon in sweet tea is also a big thing in the South, although I do not prefer it. Next, take your tea bags out, let them drain, but do not squeeze them. You do not want to chance bursting the tea bags and spilling the grounds all in your tea. At this point, I add my sugar to the warm tea. It melts much better in that warm liquid. Stir this around until it's well mixed. Now remember that secret ingredient I mentioned? It's coming up. But first hit that like button and then comment below on how you like your tea. Hot, cold, sweet, unsweet. Also post any questions you may have about sweet tea and I'll try to answer them for you. Okay, here it is. 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Now this does not affect the taste of the tea. But what it does is remove cloudiness and it removes bitterness from the tea. Tea with a pinch of baking soda is some of the best tea I've ever tasted. Pour your tea, sugar, soda mixture into a pitcher, and from there I finish filling it with 4 cups of ice. Stir it one more time and you're ready to serve. For the Southeast, no single item of food or drink best summarizes this region. It is found in every restaurant, grocery store, front porch, and home kitchen from the Gulf of Mexico to West Virginia. If you are a Southerner, you're surprised when it's not offered publicly or privately. If you're from another region, you're surprised that sweet tea even exists. If you enjoyed watching this video, you'll probably enjoy my old-fashioned lemonade video. Click here and you can go watch that. Click on the screen here and you can watch Christy Jordan with Southern Plate demonstrate how she makes Southern sweet tea. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and I will talk to you in the next video.